Welcome to my channel, and this is one of my Sunday dinner side dish recipes. And today we're doing steamed fried cabbage. The ingredients for this recipe will be minced garlic, all-purpose adobo seasoning, black pepper, some pink Himalayan salt, some fresh red peppers, a fresh red onion, some fresh carrots, some vegetarian no chicken broth, or any broth will do, but this is what I like to use. And a head of cabbage, organic if possible. And some vegan butter or vegan buttery spread. I like a more fresh, authentic taste, so I try to do fresh vegetables over frozen. And after I chop up my vegetables, I cut up the cabbage. Okay, now let's cook. Over slightly medium heat. Put that buttery spread down to get the pan right. Put a little bit of that minced garlic in there. Stir it around. Get it all infused in. It's like your base. This is a quick recipe, light work. Then I put the red onions in. Stir them around with the garlic and buttery spread. Buttery spread, right? Then I drop in the red peppers. Then I put in the carrots. Said this is a quick recipe. Stir them around a bit, get everything all infused in. And you don't want it to be too hot. It's like you kind of frying it, but not. It's more of a steam once you get this in. And you put the cabbage in. Everything nice and hot. And you know cabbage cooked down, so you can't drop it all in at one time. So just put it in a little bit. Get everything spread around. Drop a little bit of the seasoning in there. Like layering it. And I give that a quick little stir just to get everything settled in. And then I go ahead and add in the rest of the cabbage. I'm gonna add in the rest of my seasons, the pepper and the all-purpose adobo seasoning, which is a good seasoning, by the way. Should definitely try it. It brings out the flavor. It don't make it taste outside of what it needs to taste like. Then I dropped in some of that non-chicken vegetarian broth, which is actually a pretty good broth, by the way. And then I give that a good, quick little mix. Once I give it a nice stir to make sure everything's together, I drop a little more of that adobo seasoning on it. And this is why I say this is more steamed than fried, because this is not cooked over a high heat. It's slightly over medium. So this is more of a healthier version of stir-fried cabbage, as they say. And there you go.
Nice.
Steamed fried cabbage. Can let it cook for 5 to 10 minutes for that healthy green look. But if you want that more darker, more seasoned look cooked, just leave it in there a little bit longer. But I was ready to eat and it was looking too good.
Bravo, bravo. Delicious.